Hello friends, I am Jack and today we are going to teach you that how you can run a successful campaign on Google platforms. Before starting, I just want to discuss with you some points. If you are planning to run a campaign on Google platforms and you are new, you are fresher, you are learning Google AdWords that how you can run a campaign on Google platforms, then you have to think twice before launching a campaign about the campaign. First thing is why you are running campaign and what is your goal of and objective to run campaign on Google platform. If second thing is that if you are running campaign for any third party and for clients, then again you have to think that what is the goal of your clients and your party, because without any objective, any goal, you cannot run a successful campaign on Google and any other platforms. So it's your first duty to know what is your goal, and second point is that how you can fulfill the need of your clients and your objectives. When you catch both points, then you think twice. Then which one is the best platform to catch your objective and your targets? And if you find that Google is the best, then you can create a campaign. And how you can create campaign, I am going to discuss with you. I will teach you each and everything and how you can create for your location and other locations. This video especially we are making for beginner and that persons who are planning to run campaign on Google platforms, and is they are planning to run a campaign, they are starting the career in digital marketing and PPC management. So before launching starting, I'm just discuss with you, this is the Google Ads. Before this is called the Google AdWords, but now it's a Google Ad. And what is the Google Ad? This is the Google Ad. Google Ad provide the opportunity to grow your business. You also please check that how does work. FNQs you can leave, resource you can leave, and advantage also you have to check if you are first timer and you want to going to launch the campaign and other things, important parts, right? When you study all this part, that you will be understand that what basically Google search engine work and how it's work and what's the policy. Then you can log in with your Gmail ID, or if you have a client projects and client ID, then log in with the client ID. Google provide different types of campaign like normal campaign, MCC accounts where you can handle the lot of sub campaign, different accounts, and others premium accounts for partnership. But today we are going to teach you the simple ad campaign. Just wait, I am showing you a successful campaign. We are running a lots of times. See, if you are running a campaign and you find that some recommendations are coming from Google's, then it's your first duty to check the what the recommendations are coming from Google's. Basically, the recommendations provide you to get good CTR. CTR means click through rate. So first your duty to check. See how we can manage. Just click on this and see what recommendation Google provides for this particular campaign. See, then if we analyze current campaign which we are running, then you can see that recommendation coming for 400%. Now it's 64.9%. Yeah, Google also mentions then if you update your budget that plus 22.3% you can get. Also add the extensions, then 12.8% you can increase in your optimization scores. So first duty to complete the optimization is store recommendations, because if we catch the 100%, then ad will run in a nice way. Okay. Just we are going to check, and if we add first extension and add, then we'll see what recommendations they are planning. This is my current ad which is running on Google's the West Dentist in Noida. Noida is the part of Delhi NCR regions in India. So this client from basically from India. So the recommendations is coming for header H1 value 1, value 2, value 3. Value 1, value 2 and value 3. Why they recommend and what we can add in this particular conditions, then we can highlight the main USP means unique sales points and unique services like as implant and root canal treatments. Okay, so click on the two recommendations, view, download, and also if you don't know then how we can add, then don't overthink over this and just click view recommendations 1 2 3 and okay, and okay, you can add the description inside links. Just click on view implant, so best implant center, we can add best. There are some limitations for character CENTR, then you can see that descriptions also. Yeah, we can target according to our locations. Then you can see the number. We can highlight the clinic names. Number one, dental implant for dental implant. Or Noida. So separately, if you think, then you can apply first for it to be complete. Check the another one. Click on view again. You can do that root canal treatments. Looking for painless root canal treatments. Okay, and just visit we done. Again we apply for this particular, see, we received two recommendations, then we already updated, then now my score is 65. You can see before this it was 64 point something, now we already complete two recommendations, then it is now 65.1. My first duty, as I told you, to complete this score, approximate 80 plus and if possible 19 or 100. So I am going to again the recommendations. This recommendations for 3.7%. I just check this. Right, friends. I hope you understand these tricks. So again, if we click in 7.3%, what is this? Then we can see the result something. My first priority to catch this percentage and inbuilt into my overall scores. And then we will create 8.9%. If we follow all recommendations step by step, that my score becomes 100%. If I achieve 100%, then the recommendation is complete, and my ad quality will become automatically 7 or 8 by 10. If I am finding this one, that my CTR and ROI, return on investment, will be perfect. So in this video only I just want to show the recommendations, and next video we are going to uh, teach you that how you can create a successful campaign, because it is already made by me before sometimes. Then I want to show the first priority. What is your first priority if you log in your ad campaign? So it's already done for this video. And if you like this and you want to continue learn the Google ad campaigns, social media marketing, digital marketing, search engine marketings, and some tips and tricks and updated versions, updates from search engine, Algo, Panda, Penguin, Hummingbird. So do subscribe this channel, also like and share this channel. And if you have any doubts, please comment us. We will reply on your comments. And thank you, friends. Have a good day. Bye bye.